So yesterday I made a small library which you cannot use because it's private, called UI. It allows you to draw text and make buttons. It uses SDL2, which is what I love. It's pretty simple to use. You just need to create a TTF context. Using it to load your own font, you just load the path to it, which is this case in fonts, the Arial font, then its size 32. Let's say, for example, create some text. So we do text, render text. Okay, this is fine. Then the text is gonna be, let's say, main menu, for example, and the color, I think it's black, so I'm gonna do color white here. The position is gonna be like, let's say 300 100, I guess. So this, if we run it right now, okay, let's do cargo run. It draws some text. Let's create a button. We did that in one line of code, which is really awesome. To create a button, first we create a button type, button new. We specify its position, which is a point. Let's make it right under our text, so 300 400, and its size, which is also a point. I don't know, 128 by 32. Actually, no, that's not a lot. By 48. The color of the button is gonna be, you can draw the button with a texture, but as you can see here, I commented this part out because it doesn't really work well right now, so I'm not gonna show it. Let's set the color to, let's do 200, 200, 255. I don't know which color that is, but maybe it's a good color. Then the text which the button is gonna have, if you don't want it to have any text, you just make it an empty string. But let's say play. And okay, this is getting quite long. Let me move it to another line. And the color text is gonna be, what is good on, let's do white. I don't know if it's gonna look good. So if you run the program now, it should do absolutely nothing. Yes, as you can see, the button is not drawn. So what we do is we write button dot render. Okay, this is, and the position of the text. We can set the position of the text, but let's actually make the button render the text on the center. So we do render center like this. I'm gonna put a question mark here so it doesn't underline everything like this because it's annoying. So right now, if we run the program, we have a button, but it doesn't really do anything if you click on it. First of all, I'm gonna move it up a little bit, but let's say 300 here. To make it do something, what we do is we check for an event of type mouse down. We don't need this. We just need the X and Y position. Everything else is gonna be nothing. I mean, it's not nothing, we just don't use it. Then we're gonna check if button dot clicked, we put in the mouse position, which is a tuple of I32 values, the X and Y. And let's say print line I've been clicked, exclamation point. So let's do cargo run. It draws, and if we click, yeah, it works amazingly. I'm gonna add some stuff later. I wanted to make it so you can easily draw center text, because right now it's not an option. You can only draw center text inside of buttons. Maybe today I'll do something like it and show it another day and add some other UI features, but yeah, that's basically it for now. Thank you for watching.